Hi everyone. Today we are going to read this book, Messy Bessey's Holiday. Let's get started. December holidays are great, a time for fun and cheer. Christmas, Kwanzaa, Hanukkah, and the coming New Year. Bessie's in the kitchen, busy as can be, baking holiday cookies for her friends and family. Those cookies smell so good. They are sure to taste good too. But Messy Bessey, look around. There is something you must do. While working, you have made a mess. Things are out of place. Keep your kitchen safe and clean by wiping up your space. Wonderful job, Miss Bessey. The kitchen looks just great. Your cookies tell a story of how we celebrate. Eight menorah candles lit each and every night of the Jewish Hanukkah holiday, a festival of light. These are happy angels who sang on Christmas morn to shepherds on a hillside that Jesus Christ was born. African Americans' Kwanzaa is a week of community sharing. Families gather to feast and learn through the 7 ways of caring. Menorahs, candles, fruits, and bells are signs of the holidays. All over, people celebrate in many different ways. Christmas, Kwanzaa, and Hanukkah. No matter what the reason, here's a gift from Bess to you to celebrate the season. The end. Thank you so much for watching this book. If you like the story, please don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. I hope you guys have a wonderful day.